Hey guys, it's Steph with Steph's Adventures in Fat Finds, and I've got an unboxing to do. We're being very, very quiet today because everybody's asleep. Believe me, it's the only time I have today to do the unboxing, and I was gonna wait, do it with another few pieces I've got coming. But I think it's okay to go ahead and do the unboxing because I want to see it and I want to wear it. So we're gonna look. So even if I add this part to another video or whatever, I need some retail therapy, and I just got a couple other things ordered, but yeah, I want something now. Okay, now, you know me, you know I love the Louis Vuitton Bandeaus, and as part of the Christmas collection, I got a new Bandeau, and it is beautiful. I've not seen, since I've been doing the collecting, a Christmas Bandeau like this one. Love it, and it comes with. And if you're not familiar with the Louis Vuitton Bandeaus, they're a great deal and a great way to touch up any handbag. You can put them in your hair, use them as a neck scarf. They're fabulous. Louis Vuitton. Exchanges and returns. Something else we need to read. And my gift receipt, or is this my note to myself? Gift receipt, and it does come with a return label in case you need to return. So let's get to the unboxing. These make wonderful gifts if you're thinking ahead for Christmas. It comes with a little gift card there that's blank that you can write in a personalized, give a gift of Louis. Very affordable gift compared to these days' prices. Comes in a slip drawer. Usually there's a little tissue. Well, I got no tissue, but there she is. Just a beautiful. And I know she's beautiful because I buy these all the time. Silk. Bandeau. And she has Vivian on a Christmas ornament with red and pink and gold and green. There's Gaston. And there's Tula in the sled, Vivian's little sister. So just a really, really cute and adorable with monogram, completely monogram on the side, so it will go with any of my monogram pieces, or just to add a little touch of monogram and festive holiday wear. So, and it comes with the Louis Vuitton tag there. And you can cut that off. But, there we go. Love it. Oh my gosh. And hopefully I'll have the pink one on the way. And I think if you're a collector, you gotta have this one. It says Louis Vuitton on the bottom with a nice cherry red. So it'll go nicely with my cherry red interiors. But also with the pink, I'll be able to add a little pop of that red to some of the pink pieces that I have. And this is just my carry around the house bag to make it easy, because I don't always have a pocket. And I usually use this as an insert to my Louis. So I'll just tie that on quickly for you to see. How this looks. Louis has a lot of interesting things coming out. They've got something new coming out every other day. A few things they're slipping in on us. I saw a new Bitsy wallet on a chain or something like that. Bitsy something, but I'm like, where did that come from? So anyway, just a lot to keep up with them, and so I love my new little Christmas piece, my new little Christmas bow there, and I can't wait to wear it tomorrow. So, let me know what you think about the holiday Christmas collection videos. And wherever you guys are in the world, I hope that peace and love will find you. I hope that you have all that you ever dreamed of. Please know that you are worth it. And please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I do one of these unboxings. And I also do gaming videos from time to time. That's how I fund my luxury. And I also do some traveling from time to time. Less now than ever. But maybe we'll get to do something special here soon. And love you guys. See you on the next unboxing. Say night night, Viv.